Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth session on negotiable instruments. The objective of this session is to make you understand the differences between check and bill of exchange and check and promissory note. To begin with, let us look at the differences between a check and a bill of exchange. Check is a negotiable instrument which is used to make the payment on demand, whereas bill of exchange is a negotiable instrument which shows the obligation, indebtedness of the debtor towards the creditor. A check is defined under Section 6 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, whereas bill of exchange is defined under Section 5 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. Based on the validity period, a check is valid for 3 months, after which it becomes a stale check. A bill of exchange does not have a validity period. A check is payable to the bearer on demand. A check is always payable to the holder of the instrument on demand. But a bill of exchange cannot be made payable on demand as per the RBI Act. In case of check, there is no grace period applicable. But in a bill of exchange, 3 days grace period are allowed. Acceptance. A check does not require the acceptance, whereas a bill of exchange needs acceptance. Stamping. Stamping is not required in case of check, but stamping is must in case of bill of exchange. A stamp, revenue stamp, has to be affixed on a bill of exchange, which is not required in case of a check. Can these instruments be crossed? Checks can be crossed, but a bill of exchange cannot be crossed. Drawee. In case of check, bank is the drawee, while in case of bill of exchange, the person or the bank is the drawee. Noting or protesting. Noting means when the bill or the check is presented for payment by the holder. If it is not paid, in order to protect himself and prove that the rules regarding presentment have been observed, should take the bill to a notary public on the day of dishonor or on the next business day, and he should make that entry in the register and note on the bill. This is noting. So noting is done when the holder presents the bill and it is not paid by the other party. In order to prove that he has observed all the rules regarding presentment, he takes the bill to the notary public and gets the bill noted there. Similarly, protesting is a document which contains an exact copy of the bill, details of persons who is protesting and protested against, time and place of protest, statement that acceptance or payment was refused and the reasons given. The sign and seal of the notary appears on the document. So in case of check, if it is dishonored by the bank, it cannot be noted or protested. But when a bill of exchange is dishonored, when it is not paid, it can be noted or presented. So these are some of the differences between check and bill of exchange. Let us have a look once again. I told check is an instrument used to make the payment on demand, but a bill of exchange is an instrument which is showing the obligation of a customer towards his creditor. Check is defined under Section 6, whereas bill of exchange is defined under Section 5 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. The validity period of a check is 3 months. No validity period is applicable to a bill of exchange. Whenever a check is presented for payment, it is when it is demanded, it has to be paid. But a bill of exchange cannot be made payable on demand when it is presented according to the provisions of the RBI Act. In check, there is no grace period applicable. It is always paid at the time of presentment. In bill of exchange, 3 days grace period is allowed. Acceptance is not required in case of check. When a check is issued, the payee or the drawee is not accepting, but in a bill of exchange, acceptance is must. Stamping is not required in case of check, but stamping is must in case of bill of exchange. Checks can be crossed, but bill of exchange cannot be crossed. Bank is the drawee. Payee here, not the person. Payee or bank is the drawee. If the check is dishonored, it cannot be noted or protested, but when a bill of exchange is dishonored, protesting and noting can be done. So these were some of the differences between a check and bill of exchange. Now let us move to the differences between a check and a promissory note. In case of check, there are three parties: drawer, drawee, and the payee. Drawer is one who signs the check, drawee is the bank, and payee is the person to whom the check is issued. In promissory note, there are two parties, one maker and the payee. It is always payable on demand. When a check is presented, when it is demanded, the bank has to make the payment. It is payable either on demand or after a fixed period. It is drawn by the creditor. It is made by the debtor. It's a means of payment, whereas promissory note is a means of borrowing. Check may be crossed, but a promissory note cannot be crossed. It is not entitled to any grace period of 3 days. There is no grace period involved in case of checks, but a promissory note is entitled to 3 days of grace period. So these are some of the differences between a check and a promissory note. That's all for today. In the next class, we shall discuss more about crossing of checks and types of crossing. Thank you.